The Blue Sparrow. Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there lived a silly blue sparrow named Bluey. Bluey loved to play tricks and make everyone laugh. One sunny day, Bluey decided to have some fun. First, he flew to Farmer Brown's garden. He saw the scarecrow standing stiff and still. "Let's make them dance," chirped Bluey. So he flapped his wings and hopped around, making the scarecrows wiggle and wobble like silly dancers. Farmer Brown couldn't help but laugh at the funny sight. Next, Bluey flew to Mrs. Baker's bakery. The smell of fresh bread and cookies filled the air. Bluey peeked through the window and saw Mrs. Baker mixing a big bowl of dough. "Time for a flowery surprise," giggled Bluey. He swooped down and gave the flour bag a little shake. Poof! Flour flew everywhere, covering Mrs. Baker from head to toe. She laughed and said, "Oh, you mischievous Bluey." But Bluey wasn't done yet. He zoomed to the town square where Mrs. Smith was hanging out her laundry. Bluey saw colourful socks swaying in the breeze. "Let's have a sock puppet show," chirped Bluey. He grabbed a bunch of socks and made them dance and sing silly songs. The kids giggled and clapped, loving every moment of Bluey's funny show. As the sun started to set, Bluey flew back to his cozy nest, feeling happy and proud. He knew that even though he was small, he could bring big smiles to everyone's faces with his silly antics. And so, every day in the little village, you could hear the giggles and laughter echoing in the air. All thanks to the funny little blue sparrow named Bluey.